Baby boy.
Hey, Jayden. Hey, buddy.
Oh, look at that.
Did you get some food? Yeah?
He's trying to do poopies, I think. Mama's burping him.
Push it out.
Oh.
Push it out.
Oh. Yawning. Little yawn. Yeah, moving his head around, only 3 days old. Picking it up by himself.
Little hiccups.
Oh, oh yeah. He has the hiccups. He used to get him when he was with mommy all the time. This is the first time he actually has him like a lot.
Had him bad this morning.
Oh, did he?
Last night.
Did he? Oh.
You alright, Jayden? It's not too comfortable, is it?
He's like, shut. No.
You feel better, my boy?
My baby. Oh.
Say hi, everybody.
Mm.
I want to go to sleep, Dad.
He wants those hiccups gone. So I had that grape water stuff, but I'm not using that until this few months old.
Okay.
Your alarm.